Hi, welcome to Activity 3, Working Towards a Culture of Change. So, in this unit, we're going to be looking at um, how to create change and how to identify things that need to be changed. Watch this little video, The Starfish Thrower. You won't be disappointed, and it turns on your mind for the content you're about to go through. So, you're going to look at issues to action. So, poverty, homeless, unemployment, and you're going to look at systematic factors and what are individual factors that create these issues and social and cultural factors. So examine these, and then you're going to pop down here and you're going to try and consolidate and understand theoretical approaches on how we would look at those problems. So how does somebody look at um, hunger from the post-colony to postmodern, the feminist theory, critical disability theory? They all populate here. Have a look and try and understand the lenses that we can use to look at a problem. If you want to see that in application, come on down here and you look at this advertisement, and you're going to see how somebody might view this advertisement based on the postmodern view, the anti-oppression view, and you're going to just see how the theoretical lenses can change how you look at a problem. Then you're going to look at a case study. You're going to understand how to make a case study, why we make a case study, and the basics of a case study, because you're going to go ahead and make one yourself. So make sure when you are doing it, you have good resources and you know how to do in-text citations and works cited. If you're not getting this, you don't know how to do in-text citations, you might see your first 0 on an assignment. Don't panic. I will give you a chance to resubmit, but make sure you're watching these 2 videos so you understand what an in-text citation is and what your works cited page should look like. Because this course is to get you ready for college and university. And if you're not doing these in-text citations or works cited, you could get dinged with plagiarism, which is loss of a lot of privileges in the post-secondary, including tuition program. Your first assignment is applying theoretical perspectives. So you're going to take one of these theoretical perspectives that you looked at here, and you're going to apply it to a case study that you want to research. So there are some suggestions for you to research. Click here for a list of potential topics that you want to research, or you can come up with your own. Just, so have a look. You're going to use this website. What does a case study look like? Here, and this page will populate, and it will give you the rundown on how to create your own case study. So you should have an introduction section, a background, evaluation of the case, proposed solutions and changes, recommendations, finalizing the case. And then you can click here and you'll be able to see an example. So this is an example of what a case study should look like. So it's not just a bunch of words written on a page. It's organized, it has structure, and it has meaning. You're going to use this content to create your own case study. So read through it, try and understand it, and create your case study. You can access the rubric here. And don't forget to edit your final work before you're submitting to your teacher. So have a read over, make sure it makes sense and it looks polished. Then your next and final piece is participating in change. So you're basically going to briefly present your idea for your case study to your classmates. Just give them a quick summary of what it is. You don't have to recreate the whole entire thing. And then respond to your classmates with suggestions for their topic. So how can it be addressed? Volunteerism, opportunity, local community points of entrance. So that's going to be your discussion. I hope it creates some rich opportunity for you guys, and please reach out if you have any questions.